What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. It's Good Vibes Only. Yay! And today my sister made me some breakfast. She said Christmas breakfast. But y'all like, comment, subscribe to this channel. So let's see what she got going on.
This is so good. This is paprika, parmesan, garlic, toasted bread. It's good for the menage a trois, that's what I call it. It has tilapia, roasted turkey, and my special ham with my special seasoning.
Alright, you guys, so we're going to take the review of this special Christmas breakfast. See what she got going on.
But yeah.
We call it mukbang?
Menage a trois.
Menage a trois.
Because I only
Okay, we're gonna use a fork.
3 specialties inside it. But I'm not really going to see my season. But I know.
It's like fish.
Put it with toast.
It's fish.
It's fresh tilapia with roasted turkey and my special ham.
Alright.
And
They won't pop it up.
I love me some cheese fish.
It's like bread. I know they look like Zaxby's bread. Let me find out you order some Zaxby's bread.
No, this is all homemade.
Okay. Okay.
I know you like spicy stuff. That's pretty good now.
It's like it tastes like good.
I know you don't really like breakfast, so I feel more of a breakfast.
No one is good when you keep saying okay.
Oh, I'm excited.
You want to eat the whole fork? You almost caught me.
I want to do every thought like you eat that dang fork. All right, Miss Tinfoil.
Nah, I ain't gonna eat no.
Follow the yellow paper. What's that robot name from Futurama? We eating forks now, eating all of it.
Oh, that's that
metal, everything.
I don't think man, that's whew. You know I'm old.
I don't know about, you know how people just buy anything, you know, that cash, they buy anything. You don't get a glass fork.
A glass fork?
Yeah. You know how people got golden toilets?
Yeah.
If you get a glass fork, how would you think that first like,
dang, you'll break all your teeth.
the story about
My menage a trois was
funny.
awesome.
I think it was funny to name it that. Like,
Menage.
Menage.
Like,
I had some crazy name at first, and I was like, you know, it's
like tilapia.
It's 3 items you use.
Tilapia
and if you want to add your own special swirl, twist to it. I just want to make it for Christmas in the spirit feeling. You know? And I appreciate you.
Y'all like and comment and subscribe to this channel. Today I found, guess what? I'm not gonna eat it. I can't wait to tell you, but I'm gonna tell y'all. I got the blue ornaments. Yeah. The blue ornaments. The blue ornaments. Don't be acting like you ain't see me. She trying to act like she wasn't just looking at me. Support, man. I see y'all. Happy holidays and stay warm out here. Bing bong. Got 'em. I'm about to go ahead and start the tree. We're going to take a little sneak peek.